Institution Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Agriculture in Nigeria. Agriculture is defined as the cultivation of crops and rearing of animals for man use. Types of agriculture. 1. Plantation or mechanized agriculture. This requires commercial cultivation in which products are mainly for sale. It requires a large area of land. 2. Subsistence agriculture. This requires 1. To produce just for family consumption. It requires a small area of land. 3. Mixed agriculture. This system involves the cultivation of crops as well as the rearing of animals on the same piece of land. Crops mainly grown are rice, maize, yam, cassava, and so on. 4. Intensive agriculture. This can also be referred to as market gardening or truck farming. This is mainly practiced in thickly populated urban areas in Kano, Lagos, Ibadan, Kaduna, and Jos. Intensive agriculture. This can also be referred to as market gardening or truck farming. It is mainly practiced in thickly populated urban areas in Kano, Lagos, Ibadan, Kaduna, and Jos. Crop rotation. Crop rotation is an example of intensive agriculture. Crops are rotated in sequence year after year so as to maintain the fertility of the soil. 6. Shifting cultivation. It involves the movement of the farmer and his family from one piece of land to another when the land is no more fertile. Simple farm tools and family labor are employed. Forest resources are also destroyed here. 7. Pastoral farming. This is mainly practiced in the savanna belt of the north, especially in Sudan savanna. It is also referred to as nomadic herding. It involves the rearing of only animals like cattle, sheep, and goats. It involves the constant movement of cattle and herdsmen, called Fulanis, from one place to another in search of pasture and water for the animals. Important crops produced in Nigeria are grouped into 2 classes. 1. Food crops. These are grown to provide food. The crops grow and mature within 1 or 2 years. The food crops are classified into grain crops such as millet, rice, guinea corn, and maize, and they are popularly cultivated in the north due to light rainfall. The other type of food crop is the tuber and root crops. Examples include the yam, the cocoyam, the cassava, and some grain crops like rice are grown in the middle belt and the south because of the favorable rain and fertility of the soil. The other type of crop in Nigeria are cash crops. These are crops grown for sale to provide money either for individuals or for the nation when they are exported. Some important cash crops produced in Nigeria and when they are produced are shown in this table. Example, we have on the table cocoa. These are produced in Akure, Ibadan, Abeokuta. The same with the other crops. Lumbering in Nigeria. Lumbering is defined as the felling of economic trees in the forest, which can be used for domestic, industrial, or commercial purposes. Lumbering areas include Benin, Sapele, Ondo, Port Harcourt, and Calabar. Economic trees. The economic trees are mainly tropical hardwood, which include Iroko, Obech, Opepe, Sapele wood, mahogany, and African walnut. Fishing in Nigeria. Fishing areas include inland fishing. These include River Niger, Benue, Cross, Ogun, Lake Chad, and Kainji. 2. The lagoon and creek fishing. 3. The deep sea ocean fishing. Types of fishes found in Nigerian waters include tilapia, clarice, mackerel, trout, shark, crabs, etc.